Damn, bro. Yeah, you just put these tires, huh?
No, they're stock tires. They just got the wheels.
Oh, yeah, the wheels, I mean. Damn.
The tires are stock. That's why I don't fucking up. I mean, I want to see these two cars, though. I think that's going to be a good race.
It's good. I'm down.
And,
6-speed feet. Fuck it. So what?
Killer!
Exclamation. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another racing video. Today we got a racing video against Mustang. I don't know exactly what year it is, but all I know is it's a 10-speed. It's one of my boys that I met on Instagram, and he's honestly super dope. And I hit him up because I was supposed to race him today in this different car, but the other car didn't end up coming for family reasons. But it's all good. We're gonna get that run some other time today, or like another day. But right now we're on our way to meet up with him. He said he has a couple of other friends too. He said he got like an SRT and then like a Corvette with him. So, I mean, we can get some videos there. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go over there right now and meet up with them. Got my boy Benedetto right here, cameraman, about to get the good footage. And I'll pick you guys up when we get there. All right, you guys, so we made it. Let's check out the whip. It's clean, huh? Yes, sir. Damn, bro. Yeah, you just put these tires, huh?
No, they're stock tires. They just got the wheels.
Oh, yeah, the wheels, I mean.
The wheels are,
damn.
The tires are stock. That's why I don't fucking up.
You're on springs, bro, or you got coilovers or what? Damn, that shit's fucking sick. What are you going on right now?
Speed ultralights, they drop you like an inch 0.1 all around.
Yeah, because I was thinking either those or iBox, but I don't know.
Lines are way too fucking low if you drive your car.
Yeah.
If you drive your car around a lot, them shits bottom out everywhere.
Shit.
Especially because the cars are fucking heavy.
Damn, man, you got the little carbon. Hey, I fuck with this, bro. That's sick.
Sure.
Damn. Okay, and the Borla. Damn. That shit's clean, bro. How long you been having this?
I bought mine in August, bro.
Oh, okay. And the little carbon. Okay. Yeah, I was telling my boy, I was like, bro, most likely we're gonna get handed an L today, but it's all good, bro. I mean, like you said, bro, we just run for fun, honestly, well, too. I just run for fun, dog.
That's really why I could have tuned my car when I bought it.
Yeah.
But I really wanted to see what it could do stock, bro. And I put up some pretty good runs with hella cars.
Yeah, I bet, bro. I freaking bet.
You definitely got to get your shit ceramic coated, though.
Oh, I know, dude. I got hella scratches already, bro. It's crazy.
I mean, I got a guy.
Yeah, you got one? Because I didn't know which one to, like, I don't know no places like that, bro.
He's my brother's brother-in-law.
Oh, yeah?
So that's my folks. He does hella good shit. I got my whole car done by him, wheels done by him.
Damn.
And literally look like it's
that's
dirty.
That's fucking clean,
it's
bro.
Dirty. Now it's not.
Sheesh. How many years did you get it for? Isn't it like by like,
it's like I think it lasts like 2, but you can get it retouched.
I mean, that's good though, bro. Like, yeah, you be chilling. That's clean.
I'm gonna have him put another coat on mine like later in the summer.
Fuck. The thing's sitting good though, bro.
The wheels help.
Damn.
Out, bro. It's looking, when I lowered it, it kind of looked stupid on
God damn.
So I didn't have no spacers or nothing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Sheesh. And you got the whole package on the inside, huh? Yeah. Damn. Sheesh. Is it good if I open it?
Yeah.
Damn. See, bro, that's the one thing I'm like, fuck, bro, that digital dash, bro. That thing is.
You can still get it,
yeah, I can still get it. Yeah. It's freaking nasty though, bro. Damn.
Yeah. or go somewhere else.
Yeah,
That's if I mean I want to see these two cars though. I think that's going to be a good race.
it's good. I'm down.
And but the Mustang one's going to be the one that gets you the clock.
Yeah. Fuck it. Whatever. Whatever, bro. Whatever.
My 6-speed beat the 10-speed.
Fuck it. So what?
Speed killer.
Exclamation.
What rules did you say again, or whatever? Like
50, 60, bro.
50, 60?
So we'll start with the 50, and then if you're cool with 50, just have him tell me 50 again.
It's good.
Or if you want to do 60 because it's too low for you, then we'll just.
It's good. Sounds good, bro. Let's get it. It's good. All right, boys. About to head down to Mexico. Get some runs in.
Mexico's that shit.
Get it. You guys, let's see this. All right, you guys, so we made it from Mexico. We're here, we're back. It was fun. It was fun ass races, clean ass runs. It did end up a little early, but it's all good. I did get like 2 more runs in with an SRT8, a Challenger. So I got 2 with the 10 speed and then 2 with the Challenger on the way back. But I mean, the car is getting it pretty hot too. So, and we wanted to see what the 5.0 did with the Challenger. So, you know, it's lit. We got some content. It was hella fun, bro. That 10 speed is freaking nasty, bro. Honestly, that thing is so nasty. Like, I noticed that when we were racing, when like that few seconds when I had to throw it into third, bro, his thing was just gone. Literally, it would take off. But like at the beginning, I feel like we took off pretty cool. Like both of us, we took off pretty cool. And then after that, it was just gone, bro. But I wanted to get a few more races on the POV so you guys can see. So like I only got 2, and that's why I meant like it might end a little short today, but it's all good. He said that we could get the other ones another day, so we're gonna get a little rematch. But you know, I got some footage for y'all. I'll probably throw in the SRT like content in here somewhere. If not, I'll throw it in another video. But yeah, if you guys liked it, make sure to leave a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam if you guys are into these vlogs, into the car community, car shows, car races, anything related to cars, and just like vlogs. And subscribe to the channel, man. Join the fam. But honestly, one more last thing though, it just honestly all comes to personal preference. But if you want an automatic with a 10-speed, super quick, like, you know, super reliable, because these are kind of like, you either get the bunch that are not as reliable in the 6 speeds, or you get the ones that are. Like, so far I don't have any problems with mine, so I'm chilling. But honestly, it comes down to personal preference, guys. Totally up to you guys, but I have to go with the 6-speed, man. I love banging the gears. It's freaking lit. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next time. Peace.